Traders, welcome back. Trader Tom here from Simply Forex, the channel created to help you succeed at trading. Welcome to the daily review show, guys, where we're going to look back at yesterday's trades, which was Monday, the 15th of July. And if you stay till the end of the vid, I'm going to show you which trades I did and didn't take. All right, so let's do this. Stay tuned. So let's start with the trades in the order that I took them. So the first trade I took was Canadian dollar Swiss franc, right? And we were looking to sell this, right? So price had come up to this area of resistance, okay? And at this level, right, price has started to make lower highs, only just, but we had lower highs. And then I was looking for a break of these lows, right? If we got a break of these lows, we would then also have lower lows. And as you can see, guys, that's exactly what happened with this candle here. All right, we've now have lower lows. If we drop to the weekly chart now as well, it was just a beautiful weekly chart, right? This is more beautiful than Gal Gadot, right? Price had broken down, retraced what was once support becomes resistance. And then just look at those candles. Yeah, and we had the moving average 20 as well. Right, so the idea was to come back down to here. And that's still the idea, guys. And yeah, and back to the day chart, we got that break. Yesterday's candle gave us that break of those lows. So this will be a trade idea for today as well. If we drop to the H1, because it was a H1 entry, right? So if I zoom out, you can see this level here that we wanted to see break, right? It was very good support, daily support, and then we got this candle that broke those lows, right? I got a bit of a retrace, okay, and then started selling here. I put my, let me zoom out a little bit. Started entering here, and then I put my stop all the way above here. So my stop was up here because it was an aggressive entry and we hadn't had a daily break yet. All right, so that's why my stop loss is up here. But I can easily just trail my stop loss down according to price action. So I'm in this trade, guys. As I said, we're looking to take price. If we zoom out a little bit, yeah, I'm looking to take price back down to 6,516, right? Once I get my 1:1, okay, then I'll take 80% off and leave 20% to run. So I'm still in this trade, guys. However, I will be very conscious to see what price does at this level here, right? You might see this better on the H4. Yeah, you can see historically price has reacted at this level. Okay, so I'm going to see what price does here. I might even take some profit off here and then let some profit run as well. So that was Canadian dollar Swiss franc from yesterday. That was the first trade. I also took euro pound. Okay, so let's take a look at the euro pound trade. If we zoom in, guys, and look at the daily chart. Actually, let's start with the weekly, because as you can see, the weekly was in this downtrend. Okay, lower highs, lower lows. Okay, and this very bearish weekly candle, the low, the body of the candle just breaks the low here. All right, so that is a continuation of trend for me, itchy eyebrow. So weekly support with the sell idea. And then if we look at the day chart, you know, this was trying to build up, but then it just broke down and we are also in a downtrend, right? As you can see, bearish, 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 and even yesterday's wick rejection is bearish. All right, so we're still looking good for our sell trade. If we drop down to the H4, because this was a bit of a H4 entry, right? And we got this wick rejection here, you know, at our grey zone, right? Which is what we wanted. Price retrace to our grey zone. We get a bearish reaction, we can enter. I actually got a very nice retracement. Yeah, I started entering here, started selling here, and then I just hit my stop above this last H. Oh, let me draw that again. So that's the last swing high. So I've entered here, I put my stop above here, okay, and I'm looking to take price back down to these lows here. All right, so we're still in euro pound and we're in profit as we speak. So yeah, we're in profit with both of those trades currently. Let's see how they play out. We was also looking at, what else are we looking at? Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. And I've literally just entered this trade this morning. So if we look at the day chart, guys, we were looking to buy this, right? So we are clearly in an uptrend. Okay, so it was in an uptrend. We had a nice big bullish green candle. I wanted to buy Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar for that reason. Okay, we had a nice target up here. This was a weekly level. If we drop down to the H4 now, I've actually got in on this trade, and let me explain why. So if we look at H4 structure, was this a last low? Maybe. Okay, so price has retraced to this last low, right? And we've had a bullish H1 reaction, yeah, at that last low here, right? So I actually entered on this. Okay, it'll be interesting to see what this candle does, the next candle. So I'm in on this trade, right? Got in here with a view to take price back up to here. If we go back to the H4 now, I wanted to hide my stop below this swing low. This is potentially the last swing high, sorry. Yeah, the last, swing low, okay? But this definitely is, right? This has proved itself. Okay, so I've put my stop below here. I've entered in here with a view to taking price up to here. So it'll be interesting to see how this H4 candle finishes. All right, and I'm in Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar as well. So pretty much all the trades we looked at yesterday, guys, I am in. They all gave me a setup. Guys, yeah, and if you enjoy my daily review, then please come subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button and smash the like button. Also, guys, don't forget to join me for the live stream later today, 8 a.m. New York EST time. And also, guys, if you haven't already, please come join our trading community. Yeah, if you want to speak to like-minded traders, share knowledge, ideas, then come join our free Discord channel. If you would like more than that, then please, and you would like my trade signals, and you would like access to numerous tutorials and direct access to me, then please come join the VIP Trading Academy. All right, guys, on that note, have a great trading day. I'll see you later for the live stream.